Hello, friend.
Today we are going to draw a beautiful and easy village house scenery.
Come with me. Take your pencil. 1, 2, 3.
Now draw a curved path starting from the bottom. First, draw two simple village houses.
That's the house.
Draw some bushes around the houses to make the scenery look more natural.
Draw, draw, let's all draw. Make a house we all adore.
Now, add a large tree beside the houses. These simple details make the drawing more attractive.
Like a hat, triangle on top of that. Draw a door.
After that, draw a bright sun in the sky and a few small clouds.
Draw, draw, let's all draw. Make a house we all adore. Windows 2, 1, 2.
Once the outline is complete, let's start coloring.
Draw a sun up in the sky, smiling bright and shining high. Add a tree beside the house, maybe a bird or little mouse. Color red or blue or green, prettiest house you've ever seen. Clap your hands, shout hooray! We learned drawing today.
Use yellow and brown shades for the houses.
Come with me. Take your pencil. 1, 2, 3. Draw a square. Nice and slow. That's the house. Now you know. Draw, draw, let's all draw. Make a house we all adore. Color bright, have some fun. Drawing time for everyone. Add a roof like a hat. Triangle on top of that. Draw a door, big and tall. Open wide, welcome all.
Green for the grass and tree.
Let's all draw. Make a house we all adore. Windows 2, 1, 2, 3. Look outside and you will see. Draw a sun up in the sky, smiling bright and shining high. Add a tree beside the house, maybe a bird or little mouse. Color red or blue or green, prettiest house you've ever seen. Clap your hands, shout hooray! We learned drawing today.
Blue for the clouds and bright yellow for the sun.
Come with me. Take your pencil. 1, 2, 3. Draw a square. Nice and slow. That's the house. Now you know.
Color carefully and blend the shades smoothly to give the scenery a neat and colorful appearance.
Color bright.
If you enjoyed this drawing tutorial, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy drawing and coloring videos. And that's it. Our easy village house drawing is now complete. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy drawing!